Didn't think we make it. Now they break their neck just to look at me. Remember when I called you and you didn't pull through? Now you hate yourself, you can look at me, look at me. You hate me.
And what up? What's good with y'all? Alright, so what are we getting into today? Today, we're about, I just burped. Sorry, I just had some eggs and oatmeal because I'm about to get ready to hit the gym. Today, we're about to be seeing somebody that y'all ain't seen in a minute, man. This person has been MIA on the channel. They just been gone. They wouldn't got a 9 to 5, feel me? They don't be rocking with your boy and kicking it and chilling with me no more. But you know what I'm saying? You just kind of been off to the side. He get home on his free days. He been tired, so he ain't been kicking it with your boy. So today we about to be linking up with our boy White Aaron. He finally made some time for us. We're actually about to be messing with Nita's 350Z. You guys haven't even seen that thing on the channel in a minute. Haven't even vlogged it. We ain't drove this car probably in at least 3 months. I hope it starts up, so I plan on driving this thing to the gym. But we just paid the registration on it. Hey, ain't nobody out there. Chill out. Chill out. Let me get through the intro. But yeah, we ain't drove that thing in probably like 3 months or so since he's been on. Hey, chill. Shh. Shh. Chill out. So we ain't drove that thing in about 3 months or so since she's been all prego. Big belly. I guess it's just uncomfortable for her to fall into that thing. So yeah, but we did register it, got all that taken care of. It has a check engine light for the neutral safety switch, and the neutral safety switch got damaged, I think, when the old owners did the clutch. They probably just ripped a wire because we replaced the neutral safety switch on the trans, but the wiring was all haggard. So today White Aaron's gonna be fixing that, and we kind of just gonna be chilling with our boy. Yeah, so good vibes, and pretty much that's it today. Nothing crazy, but literally just a chill day. I know y'all ain't seen White Aaron. Some of y'all been in the comments like, "We're White Aaron," so figured out, you know what? I'll vlog today, that way they can see this full White Aaron. Oh, I got packages out here. Who is that for? That's for Nita. Oh God, it's more shit down here. All right, man, let's hope this thing starts up. This car ain't been started up in hella long. Ugh. Battery volt, no, it's gonna start. Battery voltage is at 12. Oh, barely. Barely. All right, we up here getting ready to get a little workout in right now. You know, Yvette always be playing this 1990s slaps right here. Got the early 2000s. So yeah, let's get it in with Coach right now. What's up, Coach? What's good? What's good? Just getting back from the gym. About to be heading to White Aaron's in a second. About to just drop my stuff off at the house. Pulling up, look, more boxes. Told y'all, man, the order has been crazy. Crazy. I want to say now I'm about $26,000 into the into the freaking drift coupe. Like, this should just be adding up. It'd be those little $200, $300 payments that you like don't peep. Then you add everything up. You like, bro, like, oh my God. Like, did I really spend that much on this car already? But, you know, what can you do? So it's part of it. All right, man, so a little time went by, and it's looking like our boy White Aaron is flaking on us. So he rescheduled, said possibly go over there Thursday night or something. So yeah, so I guess instead of going to White Aaron's now, we're about to be heading out to Sacramento. I figured I'll use this time to go pick up some parts. And a lot of y'all have been asking about a little Foxbody update. So once I get there, I'll send you, or I'll send you, I'm not texting y'all nothing. I'll show you guys the turbo notch and give y'all a little update on that. But yeah, man, let's get up out of here. God damn it, White Aaron. God damn it, White Aaron, you did this. Alright, so we just pulling up to the body shop. My man Jay said he ain't here right now. Let's go grab these seats. Show y'all a little progress on the Fox. And then we'll be heading out to go take Granny to eat. Is he in? Here we go. Taking these things. Jeez, motherfucker's dirty, blood. Yeah, it just need to get cleaned hella bad. So he took the diffuser off. He's getting ready to spray this thing. As y'all can see now, we actually have the side molding painted. Look at that, all black. Still wet sanding, still needs to be polished out. But yeah, things about to get all up in here. Have the windows back in. Just ordered new clips for the side windows. So these will be going in probably once he's putting the molding and shit back on, but these are here. Yeah, man. She, you know what I'm saying? She ashy, but if you look at the front bumper's already been polished out, so the rest of the car is gonna get hit probably sometime this week. I probably am gonna be taking the one pieces off of this car, and I'm gonna be putting them on the other car and putting the three pieces on here. I think the three pieces do look clean, so you know, at first I was like, I ain't really care, but now I'm seeing them, I'm like, all right, yeah, I'll put three pieces back on here and put one pieces on the drift car. Then you can see the lips all on, well, kind of on. Still needs to go the back corner, but yeah, man, this thing's looking good as hell. Like, I can't wait until this thing gets buffed out. We get to actually fully see it all done. Yeah, he got a lot of detailing to do when it comes time to clean it up. This motherfucker dusty, dusty ass car. Oh, dusty ass. So you can see right here, this is all buffed out. Woo. This color is so fire. Alright, let me get these, take these jammies with me. Alright, got the seats all loaded up in the truck, and we're about to be heading out. So a little update for y'all on the SC300. Y'all know that this is here to get body work done and get the engine bay all prepped and cleaned up. So here it is. Engine bay's already been degreased, still cleaning it. Just need to pick out a color for it. Then this thing's gonna be getting sprayed. After that, it's gonna be off, get the motor through in. And some of y'all seen that I am working with LRB on Foxbody stuff right now. We're literally doing the rear seat delete, the rear window section where the third brake light goes. We're doing some engine bay stuff for like the coolant, coolant panels. They already make door panels and stuff like that, so it's like, it's dope to be able to work with a company and get some more products out there for the Foxbody community. I just wanted to show you guys some of the stuff that LRB does. You guys know that my SE runs all LRB panels. I actually have these door panels on my turbo notch in there already, but I've been running the LRB stuff on my SE for a minute. You can see we have the LRB center console. It's not, bolted up, but usually it sits in the doubled in area, covers that up all nicely. We got the door panels right here. And then we have the whole rear seat delete section back here. This thing does have like plastic or rubber trim around it, so people think that it rattles. It doesn't rattle at all. Like if you guys see my old SE videos, you'll see these panels in there and literally doesn't make any noise. So yeah, big shout out to LRB, man. I'm juiced to be able to work with you guys and getting stuff together for the Foxbody community. But yeah, we definitely got SC stuff coming up. We're literally like almost there. Y'all can see this thing still has this poo-poo wrap on it, but this side they've already managed to start getting it off, and no surprise here that Twinkie's little Bondo cracked. So, it is what it is. But I'm tempted to rip this whole wide body off and just literally start over with a fresh wide body kit, like redo the whole thing over. Soon, man, soon. For all my SE people, soon. Y'all will be getting SE content. Not sure how soon, but probably maybe by the end of the year. Nah, I'm just fucking with y'all. Alright, so we just get into the house. First thing I want to do is get these seats cleaned up as much as possible. And then of course when we come over here, we got more packages. Alright, so last little look at these dirty things, man. This is one thing I hate when cars at the body shop. It's just how dirty everything gets. But it's almost like complaining, like if you go into the beach or some shit and be like, oh my god, I got sand in my feet. Like, it's inevitable, you can't avoid it. So, what can you do? So yeah, let me get these things cleaned up. Bruh, sheesh. Ugh. Alright, man. Last look at these things all dusty and dirty. Hopefully this works. And there we go. All nice and clean. Well, cleaner than they were. They still a little on the dirty side, but I mean, this is pretty much as good as I can get there without taking off all the cloths and throwing them in the washer. All I used was Dawn dish soap and a wet rag. Scrubbed them down. Got as much of the stuff out as I could. Man, they look presentable. They look cool. So pretty much ready to go into the supercharged wide body coupe now. Since these ones right here are gonna be going in the new drift coupe, I figured it is about time I show you guys the ones that are gonna be going in the green car, because I haven't even opened them yet. You guys have been seeing this box set in my living room for the last 3 weeks, a month, something like that. Let me go here and show you all these ones. These new seats are dope as hell. I think y'all gonna like them. I think this is their perfect match for the turbo green coupe. Ooh, boy. Hold on, let me give y'all a little snippet. Ooh. Ooh. Little snippet. Shh. All right, so we're gonna call it today. We'll show y'all next time on the next video how the seats look. I'm just fucking with y'all. Let me get these out of here. Niggas would've been hella mad. Boy. Ooh. What is this? What's this? Hold up. Did Energy send another quick release? What is this? Okay. Hub lock. It's another hub lock. We needs those. You know what I'm saying? All our NRG quick release. We gotta make sure these things is protected. But yeah, look at these things, man. Bruh, this color combo. Ooh. God, these things are gorgeous. It's probably like my favorite seats. I ain't even gonna lie. Bust down. Check these out. What do you think? What do you think of these? I'm going in the green coupe. Don't open it. Leave it alone. You can look through here.
Yeah, that'll be clean.
These ones is hella dirty. You just scrubbed these up earlier. Which ones you like better?
I like both of them.
You can't pick both of them.
Why?
Because you only can pick one.
I like both of them.
About to be taking Granny out to eat. She should be, well, I thought she was going to be coming around this way. God, you got to fix your wig, old lady.
Yes, you gotta fix me. You gotta dress me.
Granny, it's all hanging out the side. Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh, man. Happy birthday. Today's Granny's birthday.
About time.
No, what are you? Like 89?
79,
89?
79.
100?
I hope to get there.
I hope you get there, too.
Later that night.
Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday. Happy
Hey, that ain't your note. Don't do that one. That ain't your
It's
note.
not.
Stop.
Happy